this dot set name. So let's just start with the set name. So this basically refers to this one that we have, and let's not forget about the parameters, and then set URL, and then set price, and then set category, which is the next one. This dot set brand. Yeah, and then we have to like put it as a parameter as well. And set quantity. Set description. And then we have to click on submit. So that's done. So now we have to call this function here. So we could just create like another the IT. So we could do creating a product using the this one, create function. Okay, so here what we're going to do is create dot create, and we're going to pass in all the arguments here, and we don't have to call all these other functions. So let's create another product like this. So let's just copy this image, copy image address. Okay, so here what we're going to do is we're going to pass the name of the product. We're going to set the image. We're going to set the price, 500. We're going to set the category, which is electronics. And the quantity, let's say 100. And the description is awesome console. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I forget the price? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm missing something here. Let's see. Yeah, just to make sure. Otherwise we're gonna get an error. So the name of the product, the image, the price, the category, the brand. Okay, that's what we're missing. Okay, yeah, let's just try it out. So Also, we have two tests here. So if we run it like this, both of them are going to run, but so we don't want both of them to run, so we could just do dot only. So that means only this is going to run, and this is going to get skipped. Let's save that. So this is loading right here. So let's go back to create. Okay, I forgot to visit the, yeah, we have to visit first. So this is loading, and right now we're visiting our URL, and as you can see, all our information is getting inputted. And if you click on view products, we have the PS5 here as well. So yeah, so this is, let's see, let's just minimize this. Yeah, so this can make your code look a lot cleaner, even though if you have a lot of parameters, this will get quite long. But yeah, it's basically your preference. So till now we've viewed all the products, we've also created products. Now it's time to let's delete a product. Let's automate the test case for that. So delete.cy.js. So we're gonna have to create a file for that. Let's just stop this, and let's also create the page JS. So let's create the class for delete. And okay, so in order for us to delete, let me explain it. Of course, in order for us to delete, of course, we have to visit the URL first, and then we have to view the products first. And then, so this is where we're going to have all the products to choose from. And then we basically choose which product we want to delete, and then we're going to have to click on the delete button, right? So that's what we're going to do. So in the delete, what we're going to do is, let's create a method called delete button, and name. So name is going to be the name of the product that you want to delete. So we're taking it as a parameter, as an argument basically. And in order for us to get the title, we're going to do cy.get h2 dot contains the name. So this is basically whichever. So if you inspect this, the heading, these are h2 tags. So what we're doing here is we're getting all of the h2s, but only the h2 that contains whatever name we're passing, only that h2 is going to get selected, and we're basically storing it in a variable called title. So that's basically what we're doing. And we can create another constant called deleteButton, and we're going to basically do title dot parent dot siblings button dot contains, which contains delete. So it basically, it's checking in that container, it's checking for a button element, and there might be multiple buttons. For example, let's where's the so here we have, for example, two buttons here right next to each other. So whichever button contains delete, that's the button that's gonna get called, that's gonna get stored into this variable, delete button variable. And when that is done, we can just basically click on the delete button. And here we're basically export default delete. And in the delete test file, what we're going to do is let's create the describe block. Deleting products. And here we're basically naming the test case. So okay, let's see. A user should be able to delete the specified product. Okay. So, and then we're going to pass in the second parameter as a function. So before we do that, we should also import the delete, and then we're going to have to import. Yeah, we're gonna have to import the view. So first of all, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be visiting the URL. Come on, okay. Visit the localhost 3000. Yeah, I think we should put it inside. Okay. So yeah, so at this point we're visiting the URL, and now we have to click on the view products. So we already created a method for viewing. Oh, wait 1 second. Yeah, for viewing this specific button, we already created a method for that. It's actually inside of here, which is viewButton. So we can just import this and we could just use it. So that's why we imported view. So in order for us to do all of that, we have to basically create instances of those modules. So view, new view, and we also need that, I think the same one for the delete. So we could just call it del and new delete. Okay, so now we've visited our landing page. Now we could do view dot view button, and this will take us to the all products page. And now we have to basically del dot delete button. Delete button is basically the method that we created here. We have to basically specify which product we want to delete now. So let's see, let's delete the Ferrari. So we could I'll just copy paste and pass in this as an argument. And yep, let's run it first. see what's up. Okay, so here, let's do npx Cypress open. So now we have all the test files that we created. So now let's click on the delete. So it's loading now. So we're visiting our landing page. We're clicking on the view, and then as you can see, the Ferrari got deleted. So our delete tests are working.